on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in the Bitcoin series where we predict where Bitcoin's going to go to before it happens and tell you about it. So real quick, long-term analysis. For the past 2-3 years, we've been bullish Bitcoin, and we said that Bitcoin will go into a bull market until about October of 2025. We're nearing October of 2025, so now we assume that Bitcoin is going to be entering a bear market, and that bear market can last all the way until about year 2027, mid-2027, etc. The price target of that bear market on the low is about $52,000 right now. That price target can update as the years go on, and I'll just let you know. So with that being said, let's get into the short-term stuff. Those of you know, we've been looking for Bitcoin to go up to the weekly long target. The weekly long target is simply a counter trend long target and then back down. So basically, we assume that everything that's bouncing up right now is meant to get sold into at some point and then continue down. If it doesn't, I don't care. And no one really cares because we want it to go up. But anyways, that being said, let me just tell you what's happening in the short term. So in the short term, pretty much what's happening is Bitcoin has gotten resistance. Hold on, let me go back and do this and then do that. So this working on your phone is kind of a pain in the ass, but anyways. So realistically, this is what's going on. Bitcoin has found resistance at the daily VWAP here. So the most likely event is that we're going to trade down into this daily VWAP zone. And then the algorithms and computers are going to need to hold this as support in order to keep the counter trend trade alive in the immediate. If they fail to do that and hold support here, then we're going to go down and I'll give you the price target of the next down move. But it's kind of irrelevant of telling you that next price target for the moment, just because the current trading environment is from here to here. If we break out, we go to next targets up. If we break down, we go to next targets down. But the current targets are literally that there where I'm circling and this box here I'm circling, and the market is in between them, right? So we're not hitting our next targets till we can break out of one of those two. Anyways, I'll update you guys, and cheers.